Oh, so that's how you assemble it. Wow, that would be quick. Oh wow, hindi man lang umabot ng ilang minuto pag-assemble. Ang bilis niya. So this is our formal dining table. Ang bilis niya na-assemble. Ang sa dining kitchen, ready na rin. Ang bilis niya na-assemble. Oh wow, your bed is done. Done assembling. You wanna jump with Ate there? Careful. No, we have to put the cover first. Okay, good thing. It has drawers here, guys, so they can put extra clothing or their books or their toys. Guest room bed, still assembling. Hindi pa tapos, nagbanyo pa yung nag-assemble. Oh wow, okay, so they're done assembling the bed, the master's bed. This is our side table. Where's the lampshade? Yep, and that's our bed. There's a LED light here. And this is our dresser.